This video covers 2.8 solving linear inequalities in one variable, the practice problems. In these practice problems, I want to reorient you with the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. The less than symbol says that if a number is to the left of another number on the number line, then we say that 3 is less than 5. So when we have 4 and 19, we know that 4 is to the left of 19 on the number line. So we would say that 4 is less than 19. The greater than symbol typically said is greater than or is less than says that a number is to the right of another number on the number line. And when we look at negative 24 and negative 11, we know that negative 11 is to the right of negative 24, and so negative 11 is greater than negative 24. In letter C, we have 1/4 and 0.25. Well, we know that 1/4 is 0.25. So we would say that these two are equal to each other. The first two symbols are what we call inequality, and the equation is what we call equality. The last one, letter D, one way to compare two fractions together is to use their common denominator. And 6 goes into 35, and 5 times 5 is 25. 5 goes into 36, and 6 times 4 is 24. So now we see that 25 is greater than 24, which makes 5, 6 the larger of 4/5. In practice 2, we look at the symbol less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. When you have the symbol less than or equal to, that's two statements. Is it less than or is it equal to? If one of those statements is true, then the statement is true. 3 is less than or equal to 4. That's two statements, and 3 is less than 4 is the true statement, so we say that 3 is less than or equal to 4 is true. Now, 3 is less than 3. That's false. 3 is equal to 3. That's true. One of the statements is true, so we say that 3 is less than or equal to 3 is true. So you can have the same number to have a less than or equal to sign. And finally, letter C, 3 is greater than 4. 3 is not greater than 4, so that's false. 3 is equal to 4. That's also false. Since both of those are false, we say 3 is greater than or equal to 4 is false. This concludes the practice problems for 2.8, solving linear inequalities in one variable.